This is the last section of the PowerPoint. In this section, we will be discussing ways in which to score essay questions after the students have written them. 1. Prepare an outline of the expected questions in advance. 2. Use a scoring rubric that is most appropriate and that you as a teacher feel most comfortable with. In my experience, or what I have seen in other classes, teachers, professors, and people that teach students sometimes will make their own rubric so that it is clear to them how they want to grade. 3. Decide how you want to handle factors that are not relevant to the learning outcomes that are being measured. This would mean, how do you want to evaluate the student's writing if there is something that is not needed in addressing the outcomes that you're trying to have the students highlight. 4. Evaluate all responses to one question before going to the next one. This would mean going through all your students' essay questions and evaluating them one at a time, each student one at a time, and then going on to the second question and repeating that all throughout the different essay questions that they were given, so that you can give the best and most thorough grading that you possibly can as a teacher. When possible, evaluate answers without looking at students' names. This would mean go through all the essay questions that you have given them, that they have answered, without looking at the name on the top of the paper. Why would you do this? The reason you would do this is so that it would be unbiased, so that you can concisely grade the students without having a bias towards them or feeling of the need to grade differently based on who they are. It's easier for them and you if you grade them without looking at their name on the paper before you grade. Lastly, and most importantly, when it comes to grading, it is especially important to decide on how you're going to grade the students so that they have the best and most fair grade possible, so that it can reflect their ability to write and concisely explain what you're trying to draw forth from them as a student. On the next 3 slides after this, I have attached 3 different examples, one for each different type of scoring and things that I have covered in the presentation. Please take a look at these and let me know what you think.